Ryan, here we go. First competitive game, first home game. How special will this occasion be for you?
Yeah, very special. Proud moment for me. Special making my debut all them years ago at Cardiff Arms Park in my hometown. So, yeah, this is even extra special to be manager of your country and to do it in your hometown. I can't wait. Can't wait.
It'll be a special night for some of these young players as well. They've played friendlies, but it'll be nice to see them play in a competitive game, which of course ties them to Wales. It'll be nice to get people like David Brooks, Ethan Ampadu, and their first caps.
Yeah, it will. I mean, like you say, it's a first competitive game, but I treat every game the same, whether it be competitive or not. I want the players to go out, work hard, express themselves, and win the game. Yeah, there's more riding on this game, but we're not sort of approaching it in any different way than we've done before.
There seems to have been a bit of niggle creeping into games with Ireland during the last qualifying campaign, losing here against them, the chance to go to the World Cup. So, what do you expect tomorrow night?
I expect a tough game. Ireland are unbeaten in the last 6 competitive games away from home, so it just shows you how tough a task it is going to be against some very good teams. So, we'll need to be at our best. We need to play well. Preparation's gone well, and we just have to see how the lads perform on the night.
There was a feeling, the general feeling, that Ireland did a job on Wales during the last campaign in both games. How do you stop that happening again?
Like I say, preparation's gone well. We know what we're up against. We're up against a team who's going to work hard and make it as difficult as possible for us. So we'll need to be at our best. We need to move the ball quickly. We need to try things. Need to be expansive, but also recognise that when we lose the ball, we need to win it back.
And you talked in the press conference as well. There seems to be nearly a perfect blend with this squad at the minute. You've got the experienced guys, you've got the youngsters coming through, young manager as well. It's a start of an exciting journey, hopefully.
Yeah. I mean, I'm lucky that not only I've got a good balance, young and old. They're all good lads and they all get on. So that's what you want. You can be the best players in the world if you haven't got team spirit, then you're not going to win anything. So I was lucky that I come into, I inherited a team that already had that. We've obviously starting with Speedy and then carrying on with Cookie. So I'm lucky in that respect, and it's credit to the lads.
And then we move on to Denmark. Have you even looked at the saga that's happening over in Denmark yet? Yeah,
I mean it's hard to ignore it, but I've got this game on Thursday that I'm concentrating on. But yeah, obviously monitoring the situation. We don't know what team we're going to come up against, but we'll tackle that when it comes on Sunday.
Brilliant. Thanks for your time. We're all behind you. Good luck.
Cheers. Thank you.
Brilliant.
Thanks.